one of the example questions for my online mathematics classes with my students. We were discussing about linear equations, and we have done one step linear equation, two step linear equation, solving a linear equation involving fraction, and now this is solving a linear equation involving word problems. This is one of the questions that we did. Subtract 5p squared minus 7p plus 2 from 3p squared plus 4p. This question is simple. Like I always say, mathematics is simple, mathematics is fun. Yeah, my motto is mathematics is simple, mathematics is fun. So let's look at how we can solve this question, how I explain to my students in my online mathematics classes. Solution. Because in mathematics, every problem has a solution. In life, every problem has a solution. So let's solve this. Now, how can we solve this question? We need to be very careful. We need to interpret subtract 5p squared minus 7p plus 2 from 3p squared plus 4p and simplify. The meaning of simplify is like we should try to break it down and solve it to the final answer. Okay, all right, so let's solve it. What we are meant to do now is we are subtracting this 5p squared minus 7p plus 2 from 3p squared plus 4p. So what we are meant to write is I'll open a bracket. This is 3p squared plus 4p, because we are told to subtract this from here. It's like trying to remove this from here. So this will come first, and I will now put minus. I'll put minus, and I will open the bracket 5p squared minus 7p plus 2. Now, all right, so what we are going to have now is simplifying this expression. Simplifying this expression, it will implies that we are going to have. Now what I will need to do now is I will open the brackets. I will show step by step procedure. I'll open the brackets, and how to open the bracket is very simple. What I'm meant to do is this automatically have invisible one here, so opening this bracket will be 3p squared plus 4p. Yeah, so this also have invisible one here, so this minus we open everything here because it's affecting everything inside the bracket. So I'll have minus 5p squared plus, minus times plus is minus, minus times minus is plus. In mathematics this will be plus 5 times 7, that is 30. That's going to give me 35. Oh, sorry, no, it's not 5 times 7, sorry, it is minus times plus, so it will be plus 7p, and minus times this will be minus 2. Yeah, I believe it is clear. What I did is 5 times minus 5 times minus times 5p squared is minus 5p squared, minus times minus is plus 7p, and minus times plus is minus, and then this is 2. So what I'm meant to do now is this. I'll put equality sign here. I'll put equality sign here. So what I want to do now, the one that have, let me just say I'll collect like terms. I'll collect like terms. And collecting like terms is like I will look at everything. The one that has p square will come together, like 3p square minus 5p square will come together because they both have the same thing in common. Then I will look at the one that have p. This is plus 4p plus 7p, right? Then there's not, is only this minus 2 is the only whole number here. So without a variable in mathematics is a letter, and the variable that is available here is actually p square and p. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say equals to, now 3p square minus 5p square, this is minus 2p square, plus 4p plus 7p, this is plus 11p, minus 2. So this is the answer to the question. This is the answer. The answer is equals to minus 2p square plus 11p minus 2. This is the answer to the question that I solved for my online mathematics classes for my students, that I show subtract 5p square minus 7p plus 2 from 3p square plus 4p and simplify. This is the step-by-step procedure that I explain to my students. Thank you.